Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important for a lot of people working in the IT industry, especially the people working in companies like TCS, Infosys and Wipro, because we are going to share one important update with a lot of you guys. The update is that is TCS firing the Americans in the USA or TCS is firing the Indians in USA? We are going to share a lot of new things that are happening in the US right now. And will TCS give jobs to H1B holders here in India and the US? Okay, so let us move forward without wasting any more time. Now you might have seen that we made some videos on on-site opportunity risk and 1800 employees fired in the USA by a company. Okay, that company was none other than TCS. Then we made a lot of videos on topics such as why UK is not safe for jobs because there is a high layoffs and redundancy. Okay, and that is the reason we are making this video to show a lot of things that are happening in the US right now. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But before moving forward, I have a small humble request. Guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that it will motivate us to make more such informative videos for a lot of you guys, and so that you can get regular update about the video that we post online on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let us move forward. So the number one thing is that a group of Americans, let me just turn on my pointer real quick. Okay, so a group of American professionals accused TCS of discriminatory practices, alleging abrupt firing and substitution with Indian workers on H1B visas. Now, a lot of people don't know what H1B visa is. Basically, H1B visa is a visa which gives you access or permission to work for a limited period of time in that particular country, that is the USA. Okay, that is the H1B kind of visa wherein you can work for different companies in the US. Okay, now you have to apply for this H1B visas from here in India with the like US visa committee and everything. Okay, and then you get an approval, you get a visa, and then you can go over there in the US and work from there. Okay, now the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is investigating claims of race and age discrimination that is given by American professionals. Okay, so TCS refutes allegations emphasizing equal opportunity employment. The debate underscores concerns over fair employment and the visa regulations in the tech sector. Here you can see that TCS has officially denied allegations. Allegations are meritless and misleading. TCS has a strong track record of being an equal opportunity employer in the US, embodying the highest level of integrity and values in the operations, the TCS spokesperson said. Okay, at least 22 workers have filed complaints with Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, that is EEOC, in the US, which is responsible for enforcing the laws that prohibit discrimination against a job applicant, that is the claim of race and the age discrimination. Okay, so this is what is happening in the US right now. Why? The reason is very simple. Okay, because the Indian H1B visa holders, they provide cheap employment. They are very cheap compared to the American professionals, because they have to give the American professionals a hefty package, a very high salary compared to that of the Indian workers on the H1B visas. Okay, so here is one more clear report, okay, which is given by the Wall Street Journal, which is one of the reputed journal and a publishing house in the USA. While companies often conduct layoffs that affect workers with more seniority, the American professionals say TCS broke the law by targeting them based on the protected characteristics of age and race. They argue that the company's actions demonstrated preferential treatment towards the Indian workers in the US on the coveted visas. Okay, that is the H1B visa. The Wall Street Journal report said another frequently repeated accusation has been that the Indian firms like Infosys, TCS, Wipro abuse the H1B visa process to bring workers of Indian descent to the US rather than hiring the locals. Okay. However, data shows an increase in the US hiring for most IT players as part of the effort to overcome the visa hurdles. Okay. Now the Democratic government of Mr. Donald Trump, they made a lot of changes in the visa policy, and that is the reason people here in India see that getting a H1B visa is a pure luck. People are waiting for their interviews and everything for getting visa, but they are not getting any kind of visas. Okay, H1B visa, work visa for the US. Okay, lot of people still are on bench, or they are waiting for their visa to be approved. Then they will go on site and work from over there. But definitely, Mr. Donald Trump's government have made it really difficult for people here in India to get the H1B visas to go and work in the US. Okay, so in 2018, TCS won an employment discrimination case court, after a court in California acquitted the company of charges that it has shown bias towards the Indian employees or the US resident. So this simply means that TCS is having a very strong integrity and value in their operations, which makes them at the forefront of any other company, and that is the reason they are good, okay, in a good shape, and they are winning cases as well if there is any employment discrimination case filed on them. Okay, so as you all know, Tata Group like values and like everything is very strong, and they do not go towards any discrimination of age or race or anything. They are equal employment provider for everyone in the US, here in India as well. Definitely TCS and Tata Group has a very big brand value, and that cannot be impacted by all these small cases such as 22 people filing the case against TCS. Okay, I hope that this point is clear. If you are someone who is waiting for the H1B visa from TCS or from any other company, then please comment down below and let us know what is the status of your application, and what do you feel right now. Is this purely luck basis system that the Trump government and then the Biden government has started for the H1B visa, or you have got the H1B visa and you are right now happily working in the US? Thank you again for watching this entire video, guys. I hope that you have found this video helpful and informative. If yes, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more regular videos, updates, and everything on time whenever we post a video online. Thank you again and have a great weekend and a great day.